Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another clothing haul type of video. So I ordered quite a lot of things from H&M, PLT and Shein, and I just wanted to show you guys what I ordered and also what they look like on. I actually needed some clothes for work and that's why I ordered some things from H&M, and that's what I'm going to start with. Watching you was such a thrill. So the first thing I got is this black jumper kind of dress, which I think would be really good for work because it's really cold right now, and with some warm tights, some nice boots, it will look really good. And black just goes with everything, so that's why I picked this color. I don't really have the time or the patience to be putting outfits together for work, so this is something really simple that could go with a lot of things, and all my shoes, my boots. So this is in size small, but to me it looks a little bit big, so I'm going to try it on. That is quite cute, but I still feel like it's a little bit big. It's a very stretchy material, but it's so cozy and it's so warm. I think I might get one size smaller just because it would look a bit more flattering, but I really love the material. Then I also got these grey high-waisted joggers in size small. I actually love the material of this and the color. I think it might be a little bit big as well. I also got this black high leg body in size medium. Yeah, I actually really like this with the joggers. Looks really cute. I love this cutout shape. It's so flattering. It reminds me of those Baywatch kind of swimming costumes. This next trouser I got for work, and I really hope that the size is going to be good. This is a size 8. I hope it's going to fit me because I really need some new trousers for work. Oh, I actually love this. It's a little bit too long, no wonder, because I'm very short. It would be perfect with high heels, but not without. I also got some long socks for the gym. Next I got this knitted jumper in size small. It's such a gorgeous color. It's a very stretchy material. Oh, this is such a nice material. It's so soft. And I love the color. The size is perfect as well. Super cute. And I think I would actually wear this with these trousers for work. So next I got this black polo neck top in size medium. It looked like a really tight fit, so that's why I got size medium, but I think size small would have been good as well. It's really stretchy. It's not too big, but I think size small would have been a bit better, just a bit more tight and flattering. But this looks really nice with the trousers, and I love the material. It's so soft, so nice. So again, I might get a size small of this top. Definitely something that it's nice to have in your wardrobe. It would look really nice with jeans or even joggers. I'm so excited to try on this one. So I got this utility jacket in size small, and it was on sale for £12. How cute is that? I love all the details. I love the color, the pocket, and also the fact that you can tighten it at your waist. Like almost everything I got in the wrong size. This is a little bit big as well, but I do love this jacket. It looks so nice. I also got these white and beige colored trainers in size 4. Such a nice material as well. When I saw you walking down that hill. I think this is something that would look really nice with work trousers as well. Watching you was such a thrill. I also got one of these black leggings just because all my leggings are a little bit short, so I just needed some long ones. But I feel like this is not very stretchy, so I'm afraid it might be a little bit small. It's in size small. That actually fits perfectly well. It's a little bit tight, but not too much. I can wear it. It's not the warmest material. It's a little bit thin. I have been looking for one of these fluffy dresses for a long time, and finally I found one on H&M. This delivery actually just came today, and I was so excited to try this dress on. And I'm quite happy with it. I thought the color would be a little bit lighter, a bit closer to white or beige. So the last thing I got from H&M is actually a work bag. I just wanted something simple, so I decided to order this black handbag. It's quite big, so a lot of things would fit in there. It's actually much bigger than it looked on the pictures. On the gilded forest path, when an ecstasy came over me. And I also got some things from PLT, which is what I'm going to show you next. So the first thing I got is this zip-up hoodie in green color. It's in size 8. This material is absolutely amazing, and I think it's a quite flattering fit as well. Next I got this black and white jumper for work. It's in size small. It's a little bit longer than I thought from looking at the pictures, but I think it looks so cute. The jumper is a little bit see-through. You can see my bra even though I'm wearing a white bra. And as I said, it's a bit longer than I thought. But I think if I would roll it up like this, it looks really cute. Next I got this grey zip-up oversized sweatshirt. It's in size extra small, but I think it's still quite big for me. Yeah, this is way too big, but I love the material. The inside of it is so soft and warm. So yeah, one size smaller would have been good. It's quite big on me, but apart from the sizing, I think it's a really nice sweatshirt. And the last thing I got is this brown sweatshirt. This is such a nice material. I also got this in size extra small, and I can already tell that it's really big. But I absolutely love the material and the color of this, so I might keep this one for home. I actually love this, even though it's huge. I might order one size smaller if they have smaller than extra small. I'm not sure. How cute is this color? It actually looks like I'm wearing one of my boyfriend's sweatshirts because it's so big. So that is all that I got from PLT. I just have one more top to show you guys, which I got from Shein. I almost forgot that my first H&M order came in 2 different bags, so I got another bag. And the first thing is this knitted jumper in purple color. It's in size medium and it's a little bit oversized. I absolutely love this color, and I like that it's a bit oversized. It's really comfy. All that I could do is laugh. Okay, this top is so transparent, I'm not going to keep it. I also got this long sleeve top. This is in size small. I feel like the front is a bit too open. I'm not sure if I like it, but I do love the sleeves. But I don't really like this color. I think it looked a bit nicer on the picture. And I got this straight leg trouser in size small. This trouser is such a nice fit and I love the color as well. The waist is a little bit tight, so I think a size medium would fit me better. So we got to the last thing that I ordered, which is probably one of the cutest dresses. It's in size small and it comes in this gorgeous white beige color. It's a very stretchy material and I think this would look gorgeous with some long boots. I am a little bit disappointed with this dress because it's quite transparent and it's such a shame because I think it's such a cute fit. I love the sleeves. It's really elegant but it's comfortable at the same time. That is all that I ordered. I am going to leave all the links in the description box for you. Please don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon.